We have the integral of e to the power x sine x. Now this question is very interesting as we are going to get a loop. We're going to get stuck in a loop, but then I'll show you how to work through that. So let's begin by taking u as sine x and dv as e to the power x. In this case, you can take either of them as u or dv because either of them are easy to integrate or even differentiate, right? So in that case, the derivative of u would be cos x, and the integral of v would just be e to the power x. Substituting this into the formula for integration by parts, we're going to have sine x e to the power x minus integral of e to the power x cos x. And then we repeat the process again. T, but this time around with different variables, of course. Okay, so we're going to let t be equal to cos x and dv equal to e to the power x. Differentiating and integrating respectively, we're going to have dt being negative sine x and v being e to the power x. Okay, let's go ahead and substitute these right into the equation. We would have sine x e to the power x minus cos x e to the power x minus e to the power x sine x, right? That will turn into positive. Okay, expand the brackets. We would see that there are 3 negative signs in front of the integral. So there's 2 just right beside it, which has been sandwiched with the integral, and then 1 extra just before the big square brackets, giving 3 minuses, which would make a final minus, right? So we have e to the power x sine x minus e to the power x cos x minus e to the power x sine x. Okay. Here we are going to have to bring e to the power x sine x over to the left-hand side. This is what I mean by we're stuck with the loop, because if you keep on replacing u and dv, it's going to keep going on and on. So we need to bring it to the left-hand side and add them up. So both integrals will give us 2 of the integral of e to the power x sine x. And we're going to divide both sides by the 2. This is going to give us e to the power sine x minus e to the power cos x plus c, all divided by 2. Don't forget the c because, of course, we are good pirates.